Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Cancer at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Okay, so tignan natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na makukuha natin, yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam na parating. Meron tayong jumping card. This is sure. This is the card of the Emperor, Aries energy. Queen of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Magician. Bottom niya is the Six of Pentacles. Okay, Cancer. So, yung first card natin, yung jumping card is the Emperor. You might be dealing with an Aries o may Aries siya sa kanyang chart. No? Kasi an Emperor is somebody na talagang alam natin na namumuno. No? Somebody who's leading. A leader. Sabihin natin, siya yung nakakaalam ng lahat. Or maalam siya sa maraming bagay. Somebody who is mature, no, may edad na, or it could be talagang physically older siya sa'yo, no? Take it as it resonates. Or this person might be a boss, no? Isang may katungkulan sa kanyang ginagawa o kanyang trabaho. At ito ay normally nasa taas na posisyon, mataas na posisyon, okay? Ang kanyang hinahawakan. At siya ay yung taong sabihin natin na medyo established na pagdating sa kanyang kabuhayan sa pagkakaroon ng mga bagay-bagay o material na bagay. Kasi nga dahil naabot niya na yung ganitong level, so more or less na siya, stable na siya, no? Stable at yung secure na siya sa kanyang financials, no? Sa kanyang mga kaperahan. Now, the next card is the Queen of Pentacles. Another person na sabihin natin na talagang involved pagdating sa stability, security, at saka yung mga pagiging practical sa buhay, no? Somebody who's truly down to earth. This is a earth sign. So, meron siyang either Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn sa kanyang chart. And itong Queen of Pentacles is somebody na alam nating maaasahan natin pagdating sa trabaho at sa pamilya. Okay? So, you can depend on this person. So far, if this is the two of you, no, either you have these characteristics, yung person mo, no, may Aries sa kanyang chart, o Aries siya, or ikaw na Cancer might have, no, earth sign sa iyong chart, no, na talagang sabihin natin, though you are a water sign, Cancer, but some of the elements sa iyong birth chart ay merong earth element, okay? So which is fine, Okay? So, both of this are talagang, sasabihin natin na they're very focused on their, kung ba their resources, sa kanilang kaperahan, kung how they live, paano sila mabuhay, yung mga pangarap nila sa buhay, gusto nilang na-achieve, no? Ma-achieve. Okay? So, talagang, sila, they're very focused, they're hardworking, they're very goal-oriented people na talagang tinutupad nila kung ano yung nasa kanilang mithiin or goal sa buhay. Okay? Now, pagdating dito kasi, the Five of Swords is something that is really something to think about. Kasi, ang swords naman, alam natin, is all about to do with communication or speaking or in your thoughts, no? Kasi swords could be also the logic, the mind. Kung ba parang dito, you are having your doubts or your thoughts, no? Na nag-iisip ka na, ano na ba ang gagawin ko? What's next? It gives you, parang dumating ka doon sa punto na kailangan mo tong pag-isipan o pag-desisyonan. Because the next card is something to do with the Nine of Pentacles, which is all about being single. No, ikaw lang. Establishing everything on your own, being independent. No? In other words, hindi ka umaasa sa kahit kanino kung hindi ang sarili mo para itayo o establish yung sarili mo financially. Ito yung sinasabi natin na talagang very focus siya sa kanyang career, kaya lahat ng kanyang gusto sa buhay nabibili niya kasi magaling siya sa kanyang trabaho, marunong siya mag-ipon, or magaling siya sa money matters, or she knows how to invest, or palaguin pa yung pera niya. Kaya at the end, nakakaipon siya, nakakabili siya ng gusto nga niya, at yun, nagiging self-supporting siya, no? In other words, hindi niya kailangan ng asawa o partner in life to survive, no? Itong ating buhay. Siya lang, kayang-kaya niya na buhayin yung sarili niya. So if you either one of this, no? Either you're the Emperor or the Queen of Pentacles, you both can have this particular energy. Okay? Kasi ito yung talagang sabi mo na nag-iisip ka na, no? You're thinking, kailangan ko ba talaga ng someone in my life? Diba? That is the question. Now, yung card mo dito at the end is the Magician, which is you are given that, parang sabihin natin, gift or more opportunity to use all of these tools, no? Yung mga kailangan mong para ka mas lalong umangat sa buhay. Kasi syempre, sabihin na natin na kailangan mo ng yung apat na suit, 'di ba? Which is yung pentacles, which is yung pera, to pursue whatever you want to do. Kung gusto mo mag-aral, you need the money to support that, no? To pay for it. You need the sword in order to communicate, be able to speak, no? Magsalita or alamin kung ano yung mga dapat alamin na katotohanan. And you need the wands for passion, to show that creative side of you, para mas umangat ka pa, no? Kasi mapakita mo na hindi ka lang matalino, kundi meron ka parang another side of you that is also something worth looking into. And of course, the cups. Yung cups is all about love and emotion, that you are truly, sabihin natin na you're in touch with your inner self, no? Pagdating sa iyong pakiramdam. Okay? So all of those tools, you need that in order to reach this particular level of sabihin natin na kaginhawahan. Okay? Because this is really having it all, but doing it all by yourself. Okay? Now, yung bottom card mo dito is the Six of Pentacles, which is all about equal give and take. No? Very, kung titignan mo, wow, but may equal give and take eh. Ito na nga yung, di ba? Kung gawa parang contradicting. Maybe that is why it is being asked about these two. No? You need to have this element of give and take. Di ba? Rather than thinking or having that thoughts of doing it on your own. Di ba, Cancer? So, tignan natin kung ano pa. We have the Lovers, the Two of Swords, the World, the Two of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Bottom niya is the Queen of Wands. Okay, Cancer. Ito yung part na I think you're being asked or tested when it comes to emotions. Okay? Kasi dito sa first part is all about making money. No? Paano kumita? Paano lalo pa lumago yung kabuhayan. Ito kasi the Lover, you might be dealing with a Gemini as well, kung may Gemini siya sa kanyang chart, is you're trying to make a decision, no? Ito yung card na nagsasabi na I need to make a decision. Kailangan ko talaga mag-decide. Ano na ba? Tutuloy ko ba tong plano ko na mag-isa na lang ako? O ibig sabihin, wag na makipagrelasyon. Diba? Kasi ito, Two of Swords is also trying to make a decision. No? You're trying to cross your heart, no? Sa ibang depiction kasi nito is you trying to cross your heart at the moment kasi hindi ka maka-decide, no? Mahirap para sa'yo gumawa ng desisyon. Nothing is quite clear at the moment. Hindi ka pa decided kung anong gagawin mo dito sa iyong person, sa iyong lover. But the universe is saying, come on, andito ka na sa dulo ng cycle na to, which is the world. Ito yung pagtatapos ng isang cycle, no, na nangyayari ngayon. Bakit kailangan matapos? Kasi kailangan magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. No? Kaya nga, I think that's the reason why you've been having these thoughts. Baka nararamdaman mo na kailangan talagang may mabago. There is that feeling of asking for a change. No? Change of what? Kasi dito, kung sabihin natin masaya ka na nag-iisa, kasi nga nakukuha mo naman lahat eh. Nasa iyo na nga lahat eh. On your own. Pero paano kung dumating na yung love of your life? With the Two of Cups. Paano kung ito na siya? Na-meet mo na. Binigay na sa'yo ni God. Finally. Itutuloy mo ba to? Pagiging single? Siguro that's why you are given these tools, all of these tools. To use it, no? Wisely. Bakit? Kamo kasi. Babalik yung person mo from the past. With the Six of Cups. Yung person na to, na true love mo, is somebody from your past, Cancer. Okay? You might say na, sino yun naman yun? Hindi ko alam, o wala akong ganyan. If you would see this card, the Six of Cups, one, of course, is baka meron kang kilala before, nung bata ka pa, maliit ka pa, no? Yung sabihin natin, during your childhood, yung mga elementary days, yung mga ganyan. That could be one. Or it could be yung, sabihin natin, medyo older ka na ng konti, teenager, whatever, no? Or during college times, gano'n. Pero sabihin matagal na to, matagal mo na siyang hindi nakikita o nagkahiwalay kayo. Now, if wala kayong gano'n, it could also mean na this person coming back is somebody from your past lifetime. Okay? Maliwanag ba yun, Cancer? Na yung tao na to, na-meet mo siya sa ibang buhay mo. Yung dati mong buhay, yung nakaraang mong buhay. Okay? Na bumalik siya dito sa mundo na to ngayon kasi meron siyang unfinished business with you. In other words, meron siyang kailangang magawa o matapos o ma-execute with you. Ngayon again, kung gabat tipong again, let's do it again, itong lifetime na to. Okay? So, kung medyo naku-confuse ka kung bakit wala naman akong kababata na-involve ako, ganon, mature na ganyan. Take it as it resonates. Kaya nga ina-explain ko sa inyo mabuti kung anong ibig sabihin ng Six of Cups. Basta definitely ang kanyang pinaka-definition is somebody coming back from the past that you are familiar with. Okay? Na familiar ka sa tao na to. And with the Queen of Wands, merong tong excitement, no? You're excited, you are parang energetic, you are happy, you are parang andun yung feeling na gusto ko nang mangyari ito, yung ganon. Kasi the Queen of Wands is all about action, all about passion, no? So andun namumuo yung para bang intriguing, di ba? Intriguing. Sino to? Kung siya nga, napag-iisip ka tuloy. Di ba? Kasi, bakit dadaan o bakit lalabas ito ngayon na ito na, nagdi-decide ka about your lover and alam mo na magkakaroon na ng pagtatapos itong cycle na to kasi dadating na talaga yung true love mo, yung the one. Yung soulmate na tinatawag natin. And this person is coming from the past. Babalik siya sa'yo. Okay? Na, tignan natin kung ano pa. Yung Queen of Wands kanina, that is a fire sign. So, baka meron din siyang Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius sa kanyang chart. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and wow, the Ten of Cups. Wow, Cancer. Bottom niya is the Star. So nice. Titignan mo siya. Ano ba pinag-umpisa natin? Yung babalik na person na to, well, yung dito sa lovers mo, no? You are having this feeling na, hindi ako mapalagay kasi baka pakawari ko na, alam mo yun, yung magkamali ako ng desisyon. Kung iiwan ko tong ngayon, yung current ko, for this one coming back to me. Baka, alam mo yun, yung I would feel na parang yung choices ko, na mali ako. So, hindi naging maganda yung outcome. But, Cancer, the Wheel of Fortune is here. No, lumabas siya. And this means na talagang ito na yung pagpapalit, no? Pagpapalit ng destiny o yung pag-ikot ng gulong, tinatawag natin yung gulong ng palad o yung gulong ng tadhana, no? Umiikot na to your favor. And what would happen is you would receive a message, no? There will be a message that will be sent to you. Something that is short and sweet and passionate. Simple lang muna kasi parang just to test the grounds, di ba? And this message would come from the King of Pentacles, which is kamatch nitong Queen of Pentacles. Okay? Di ba sabi ko nga dito sa umpisa, kung if you have any of these characteristics with you, o meron ka nito sa iyong chart, So, it could be you, Cancer, na yan, yung iniintay mo ng kapartner in life is coming in with the King of Pentacles. So, most likely, you will be dealing with a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. And the most beautiful thing about this is, wow, the Ten of Cups. Yung total happiness, total satisfaction. The feeling na talagang, yes, I made the right choice. Tama yung pinili ko. Tama yung decision ko. Tama yung ginawa ko. Kasi I am so happy right now. Being with my true love. Okay? Kasi kung titignan mo dito, no, yung last card natin, Magician, the Six of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. So, you were given the tools, no, ng universe para gamitin mo to ng tama. Kasi alam ng universe na parating na yung taong nasa iyong, sabihin natin, nakaraan. Dahil ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng tunay na kaligayahan. Okay? So, that's so beautiful. And this is something that you have prayed for. The star. No? Pinagdasal mo to, hiniling mo to. Cancer, hiniling mo to kay God na sana po dumating siya. Sana po makilala ko siya. Sana po maging kaming dalawa. And now it is being given to you. Okay? So, it's really just waiting for that moment to happen. No? Kaya, yung pagde-decide mo dito, if you are involved at the moment with someone, no? And you're trying to make the decision kung tama ba, I think you will be, kasi nga, the Wheel of Fortune is here, no? Changing everything sa nagiging takbo ng destiny mo. And the world is telling you na magbabago na ng cycle because there will be a message that will be sent to you by the King of Pentacles, your mate, yung kapartner mo in life, because you know exactly that this is the one for you, no? Siya yung magiging soulmate mo or yung true love mo. Kasi nga, alam mo na itong tao na to, nababalik sa'yo, kaligayahan ang kanyang dala sa'yo. Hindi lang pagmamahal, no? Not just love, but really happiness, no? Contentment. Kontento ka dito, satisfied ka dito. You felt that you have parang won the jackpot, parang tipong ganun eh, no? Na talagang, ay nako, wala nang kung gaba parang, ano to? What is this? Ano tong Nine of Pentacles na to na all physical or all material things in life? Eh hindi kasing tumbas ng kaligayahan na ibinibigay sa akin nitong tao na to pagdating sa relationship o pagmamahal. Okay? So, ano pa yung message na gusto sabihin sa'yo ni Angel for Cancer? Ano pa yung message niyo for Cancer? Listen to your intuition. Yes. Communicate clearly. Yes. And if you believe, kung ikaw ay naniniwala. Yes, definitely. Siyempre kasi, di ba? Some people would not, di yan, totoo yan, mga ganun, di ba? It's really how you think, no? Yung paano mo to itatanggapin. Kasi, siyempre, sasabihin mo, baka ano lang yan, alam mo yun. O maniniwala lang ako pag nangyari na sa akin. I think it will all manifest if you start believing that this is for you. Maniniwala ka na talagang para ito sa'yo. Okay? So, kailan yung timing nito? Kailan ba mangyayari ito? Kung di pa to nangyayari. Sabi dito, not the right time yet. So, hindi pa to yung ina-expect mo right away. So, meron pa siyang iniintay o meron pang kailangang maganap. Usually, kung bakit hindi pa ito yung perfect timing, because it's either hindi ka pa ready or yung person mo hindi pa ready. You have to be both ready for this meeting or reunion or union para matupad ito. Kasi sabi ko nga, if you believe, baka ikaw, Cancer, hindi ka pa ready kasi parang hindi ka pa solved, hindi ka pa naniniwala. Baka pag naniwala ka na medyo mabago, no? Mabago yung dating. Okay, so ano pa yung message for Cancer? Okay, we have, it says here, failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. Yeah. Diba? Meron ditong part na you're trying to make a decision at natatakot ka kasi kung magiging tama ba yung decision mo na yun. Maybe kaya nga hindi ka pa not yet that time because you haven't really made that decision yet, diba? Ang failure kasi, pag tayo, diba, sabihin natin tayo ay bumagsak o lumagapak o nagkamali, hindi ibig sabihin na tayo natalo. Ito ay naging oportunidad o isang daan para lang tayo matuto. It is a learning process. It is a work in progress. Okay? Lahat tayo dumadaan dyan. Hindi exempted, kung ba. Lahat tayo. Kasi yung learnings na yun, yung pag-alam natin yun, yung natutunan natin na yun sa ating mga pagkakamali, ang siyang magtatayo sa atin muli para mas maging matatag, matalino, no? Mas maging mahusay sa susunod pa na mga bagay na ating tatahakin sa future. Okay? Dahil kailangan natin yun eh. Kaya nangyari yan ngayon kasi kailangan mo to para sa susunod mong gagawin. Okay? Lagi mong isipin yan. Nangyari lang to ngayon kasi I need this for the next endeavor or step that I'll be taking sa future. Okay? So, kung kanino man itong Cancer na energy na nakuha natin ngayon, sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.